In this video, we're going to go over how to divide a whole number by a fraction. So if I were to give you the question, 4 divided by 1/2, and I told you to find the answer, how would you do that? Well, our first step would be to convert 4 into a fraction. So 4 divided by 1/2 is the same thing as 4 over 1 divided by 1/2. Next, I want you to remember the keep, change, flip rule. In order to divide two fractions, we're going to keep the first fraction the same, we're going to change the division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip the second fraction. So 4 over 1 divided by 1/2 is going to be equal to keep, so we keep 4 over 1 the same, we're going to change division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip 1 over 2 into 2 over 1. And so now we have 4 over 1 times 2 over 1, and since it's multiplication, we can just multiply the numerators and the denominators together. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8, and then 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and our final answer is going to be equal to 8 over 1, or 8. Now let's try one more problem, and this time pause the video and try it on your own. But say I were to give you now 6 divided by 2 over 3. How would you solve this? Pause the video, but when you come back you'll see that the process remains the exact same. Our first step is going to be to convert 6 into a fraction. So 6 divided by 2 over 3 is the same thing as 6 over 1 divided by 2 over 3. And now that we have this, we need to apply the keep, change, flip rule. We're going to keep 6 over 1 the same, we're going to change division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip 2 over 3 to 3 over 2. And now that we have this, we can simply multiply the numerators and the denominators together. So 6 times 3 is going to be equal to 18, and then 1 times 2 is going to be equal to 2, and so our final answer is 18 over 2, but we can simplify this. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. And so our final answer here is 9. I hope this video helped. Thank you.